The crypto market has gone completely insane from yesterday to today, and the president-elect of the United States, tomorrow will be president, has launched his own meme coin, and that meme coin pumped from nowhere into the top 15 in the crypto market. That's absolutely insane. The market has gone nuts, and many people try to figure out right now what that means for the crypto market going forward, as we have this president that is now in possession or in favor or on the forefront of this meme coin launch for the next 4 years, right? So everyone is trying to figure out what is happening, what does that mean for the other altcoins, what does that mean for meme coins going forward, what does it mean for Bitcoin, what does it mean for the cycle? So these are all questions. Is this a rug pull? Will the president of the United States rug his following? And many, many more questions, right? So let's talk a little bit about this in this video. Let's assess where the market is going and how it looks for Bitcoin at the moment. So make sure to stay tuned all the way through. Hey everyone, it's the Patient Hodler coming at you with another video, and in this one we're going to assess the crypto market. This is a crypto market update. If you enjoy these updates, then let me know by smashing up the like button right now. For this channel, smash up the like, bring it to a new all-time high. It helps the algorithm tremendously, and therefore it helps my channel to grow. So thank you for smashing the like, and let's get on with it. So what we see right now here behind me is insane, right? We have a couple of cryptos that are green right now, especially Solana, but this year didn't exist in the top 100, right? And the rest of the crypto market is red. Funds are flowing out of the altcoins. Bitcoin is a little bit in the green, but not much. We see it here, small bubble. And basically, this new meme coin from Trump is sucking up liquidity out of all coins. You can imagine this basically, that every degenerate in the crypto space yesterday and today is looking at this mega candle that is forming on this chart and thinks to themselves, okay, what shitcoin can I sell to take part in this Trump rally, to maximize my gains, to make some returns? Which coin that is absolutely underwater or which is only zero or didn't perform well, I can sell to ride, to chase these green candles. And in my opinion, this is absolutely the wrong call. Many people will get hurt by this because this green candle is going into a corrective move at some point. Can it do another 10x from here? It can, but it's also already around $15 billion market cap as we speak. $13 to $15 billion market cap. It's in the top 15 right now. And you know how hard it is to do even a 2x out of the top 15, right? Why is Sol in the green? Yeah, because Solana is the one where this meme coin is launched on. So that's definitely a good play. Now, we are going to go over some things. Also, why Ethereum is not a bad bet if you like large cap cryptos, but we are going to talk about the opportunity here. And I can spoil it already, or spoiler here. All these coins having 10% or even 15% drawdowns in a bullish setup that is starting tomorrow, right? So all these coins are on discount today. Good coins with good projects, good narratives, large followings, whereas all the crypto degens are trying to ape into Fartcoin and Trump, right? So you see here Casper on an 8% discount, right? Everyone was bullish about on Casper. You see VeChain on a 6.4% drawdown. You see Render on 4%. So no matter where you go in the market, even in the top 200, you will see big drawdowns, and only meme coins are pumping, right? This was expected. Trump launching a meme coin is probably bullish for other meme coins, right? It's not yet. Peanut is down, Popcat is down, Bommy is down, right? All these meme coins are down, and everything else. So everywhere funds are flowing into that coin. But let's look a little bit more about what's going on in the broader crypto market. So let's look at the setup. We have been talking about this in Crypto Morning Coffee. In my live stream section, I stream almost every day, except when I am on vacation or somewhere traveling the world, right? But on these streams and also in the last videos, we had discussed that theoretically we have a bearish setup here with a head and shoulders. This has been invalidated, right? Why? Because this is higher highs here. There is no technically you could still expect a right shoulder here, right? But it's very, very unlikely in my opinion. The downtrend here has been broken. We see how the candle reacted, right? There was a W pattern or a double bottom pattern with this neckline. We also broke out of it, and even we confirmed it with a retest. So we expect big upside coming by tomorrow, right? So there must be some bigger upside coming in here. Our target of 98,000 has been met since a long time, right? We had that for a long time. The next target here for us is 120,000 US dollars from the cup and handle pattern that we discussed many times on streams and in the videos. Important to say that if you look at the RSI of this, we also had a downward sloping trend where we said we want to see a breakout with a confirmation. We got exactly what we wanted to see. Breakout, confirmation, continuation, right? So I think we're going to head higher based on all of this, right? But let's look at what's going on with this Trump thing. So we have a massive uptrend here. Craziest night in crypto history. It turns into the craziest morning in crypto history. Trump meme coin is now up 11,000% in 12 hours. What will the history books say about this one? It's unclear right now what they will say about this one. It depends on how many people will get hurt in the next bear market. It depends on which implications it has for the crypto market in general. What will follow from this, right? So let's look at this a little bit. So we have here Jeff Norman bringing us out a nice thread that I want to discuss a little bit with you, right? The market is losing its mind over the Trump coin and completely missing the plot. Here's why this is going to be incredibly long-term bullish for the industry, and it has nothing to do with Trump coin itself. So let's read here. To start, the pushback for 3+ years from both potential token issuers and potential investors in the US has been regulatory concerns. This is now completely eradicated when the president himself is both an issuer and an investor, which he is, right? And it also implies something that I will discuss later with Ethereum and Solana, bullish on both, right? So here we see from Hunter Horsley, financial advisors in the US manage 30 trillion every year for the last 6 years. Bitwise has run a survey of their views on crypto, and we can see here what is preventing you from either increasing your investment in crypto assets or making your first allocation. So the first points here is regulatory concerns, right? No matter which altcoin, you will agree that most institutions will not buy this altcoin because regulatory concerns are in the mix, right? They don't know how to deal with this. And from 2021 to 23, this threshold has increased from 60 to 64%. So regulatory concern is there. Why? Because the SEC actually fucked the crypto space with their regulatory uncertainty, right? So they made it so in the last 4 years that no institution can launch crypto, build on crypto, invest in crypto, nothing, right? The second part is too volatile. This has been decreasing, right? In 2022, obviously increased because crypto was crashing there and bottoming out afterwards only. But from 53 to 47%, this has decreased a little bit. No idea how to value crypto assets. That's back to regulatory uncertainty. Only now there was a framework issued in the US and some other countries how to show this in balance sheet, how to tax this and so on. But still, 42% is higher than 2021. Lack of easily accessible investment vehicles like ETFs. This is out of the window. We're in the first cycle where ETFs are there. BlackRock, Bitwise, WisdomTree, whatever, right? All these ETFs. Custody concerns, fear of hacks. This is something that persists. It's stable because there are hacks of exchanges, hack of wallets, hack of I don't know what, like funds have not been hacked yet, but we will see how this continues. That is also a concern. Lack of understanding. This is a big one. 28 only decreased by 4%. It's still 24% of all these taking part in the survey don't know really how certain crypto things work. It's one thing understanding Bitcoin. I think if this survey was only for Bitcoin, many participants would say, okay, I get it, I understand it, at least partially, but let's say drop for someone how does Chainlink works, right? How does the outside to on-chain Oracle works, or how does Casper work, or how does Ethereum Solana work, right? It's a whole nother world already. It will take time until people understand how this works. But now, just because the president issued a meme coin doesn't mean the entire world will only focus on meme coins. Trump validated the technology, yet introduced only one use case of the technology. Potential issuers and investors can see beyond this limited use case. I agree. With increasing understanding, they will see a lot of use cases, and it legitimizes them because Trump has World Liberty Finance, so he is an issuer of financial platform. He has a meme coin, and he has an NFT collection that is on Ethereum. He has that since a longer time, right? So everything's validated here. Solana is validated, Ethereum is validated, NFTs are validated, meme coin is validated. The only thing that's not validated and that needs more regulatory clarity is coins that have been participating in ICOs or have been used as ICO, and that have mechanisms like staking, burning, rewards, airdrops, and so on, right? That is not part of what he validates here. But overall, this is bullish for crypto. The internet boom started with dot-coms, companies that only existed because of the internet. But most failed. The internet grew when non-internet native companies began using the internet. Now every company is a dot-com. Walmart, Domino's, JP Morgan, etc. are all dot-coms now. So what is happening is that now we are expecting that the entire industry is going that is outside of crypto is going crypto, like Amazon going crypto, NYC will have a token, Harvard will have a token, Netflix will have a token, right? All these companies, they will have their own tokens. The question is how will decentralized platforms will find their way, right? We have now officially left the crypto phase of blockchain. All of the existing use cases of crypto are from crypto native companies, but going forward, the whole world will now come up with creative ways to use tokens, right? So here we have some examples like KKR, Apollo, Nike, Starbucks, Reddit, Trump, etc. bring way more users and wallets than slow crypto narrative organic growth. That is very true, because you have to see the Trump token is the first token that would attract the entire camp of Trump voters in a time where Trump is all over the news, is everywhere, because his inauguration is tomorrow, right? So every of this will have a huge influence into crypto. Now, they will make money in the short term. They will see hundreds of X's, so they will subsequently look up crypto and YouTube and will find other projects and start buying them as well, right? So now also probably the Trump NFTs will get a little bit more of traction. That alone could be sufficient for people to look at what other NFTs are in the market. So some NFTs could be a thing. So let's continue here. This one from Crypto Burp is also really nice. Trump is a gigabrain move. So the coin is a gigabrain move. His presidency starts tomorrow. Everyone's talking about him, trending on all socials, sort of showing off his power. Easily 100 billion plus fully diluted net worth added. The coin alone is literally a black hole, sucking in all money like a vacuum. Volume market cap ratio is 1.25, 17 billion versus 13.2 billion. Immediate Binance listing. Meanwhile, other memes are dying, maybe, except ABI. Backhold and so on, shilling his own coin, doesn't matter, right? Ignore that. But no one even noticed Sol is all-time high. No one cares. BTC is testing all-time highs again, and then it's all just getting started. Think about it. He's promised to sign crypto reserves on day one. That would be tomorrow, about 24 hours from the making of this video. It will change the industry forever. The world will know crypto is nice. The world, imagine more presidents release meme coins as a symbol, and that's why crypto folks love him so much. He set precedents like nothing before. Brand new quality for meme coins. Betting against this man is dangerous, and he's on our side. 2025 will be wild. I'm ready. Are you? So obviously this is a very one-sided view, but one thing is correct. Many people will see, okay, crypto in itself is legitimized, right? It's not a scam anymore. Maybe Trump coin is perceived in the long run as a scam when it will drop 95% in the next bear market, but right now it's just going to ride the waves. But there's a chance for us in here, a big chance, and that is everyone's eyes are on Trump coin. The money will flow back, profits will flow back into other coins. Solana, Ethereum as the big parts, Chainlink as a big one, many of these large coins with nice use cases, but then subsequently into larger caps, mid caps, low caps, NFTs and so on, the money will trickle down and these will pump. Right now, they are at a discount as mentioned in the beginning. Now, you could say, I missed Trump, I missed Fartcoin, I missed XRP, missed WIF, and missed Pepe. Well, this is just a big accumulation or big summary of shitcoins, right? But there are many coins that are not doing so well right now that you can buy right now, and then you don't miss those. It's very hard to find a coin and ride it that massively when you could estimate that this is probably a scam or a rug pull, as many people did, until it was validated by Trump's son in Twitter post and then also by Trump. And by seeing that Elon didn't do anything about it in the first couple of hours, but then it was already very large market cap, right? So don't beat yourself up for having missed these coins, because on the other side, what you don't see is on the other side, there are millions of meme coins that got rugged, that never performed, and had you put in $100, you would just be minus 100% on these $100 right now. So it's way safer to buy a coin that is at $5 million market cap with a company that's actually building, where you can listen to interviews of the founder, where you know the fully diluted market cap, blah, 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 right? All these fundamentals and research. In my opinion, that's the way to go. Now, some people believe that the cycle has changed in some way. I see these pictures here everywhere. I don't think so. Everyone that says this and that is different, this cycle is different in that perspective, has been wrong in the past 15 years. It's not. Nothing's different. It ultimately depends on global liquidity, and the sequence is still the same, right? People say, like the old cycle was fiat is being loaded up, aped into Bitcoin, Bitcoin pumps, and then we trickle into Ethereum and then into mid-caps, and then there's an altcoin season, right? I think that is still true, only that you would have to add both, like Ethereum and Solana right now. But definitely, in my opinion, it's not fiat Bitcoin, back to fiat Bitcoin, then Solana, then Trump, then large memes, then meme coin season. I don't think so. Maybe there is a meme coin season together with an altcoin season, but we have already seen that altcoins started performing extremely hard in the last correction dip from Bitcoin, right? So in December to January, we saw some altcoins doing 8, 10x's, and Bitcoin dominance is still up there. So nothing has really changed on that front. So don't get confused. I think it's fiat into Bitcoin, back to fiat into Bitcoin, and then into large caps. And these large caps are Ethereum, Solana, XRP. We are already seeing it. XRP, XLM, these are pumping. Ethereum still waiting for the pump. I think that Ethereum is going to do extremely well in Q1 right now, because you have to see Ethereum is legitimized and adopted by Trump. His meme coin collection is on Ethereum. Like, it's validated. And institutions like Ethereum, they will continue to build on Ethereum. We see that large institutions are building on Ethereum. So don't discard Ethereum. Will layer 2s like Polygon still be something? I don't actually know. But layer 1s, I think they will do well. So from the layer 1s, it's a question mark if, like, there are other midcaps that are not L2s. So this symbol, you might want to exchange them for something else, like Avi or something like that, right? But Avi is not like the super small altcoin anymore. It's like in the mid caps, right? So that might be a little change. But I think meme coins, they will always be around and they will pump from time to time. And some meme coin communities are big, but I don't think that the cycle goes into meme coin season, then the cycle is over. I don't think that. If you disagree or agree, let me know in the comments below. Now, one thing is true. Bear markets create Bitcoiners. Bitcoiners create bull markets. Bull markets create shitcoiners, and shitcoiners create a bear market. Well, that is somewhat true, but actually it's not, right? I just thought it's a funny funny consideration, because the last bear market was initiated by a shitcoin going down, which was Terra Luna. It was fairly big. It imploded and the whole market went into drawdown. But the underlying factor is that money is sucked out of the market, liquidity is sucked out of the market, and basically who's running the market is the central bank. And it's a fairly 4-year cycle, right, in which they are doing that. So we see the opposite right now, and this says much upside, right? So here's the M2 money supply now expanding, M2 percentage change from a year ago, and we see the money printer is back, right? And we have hit a low as never before. M2 money supply is expanding again at this 3.7%, reversing the deepest contraction since 1960. So if some people say, oh, this recessive environment, Bitcoin has never seen, remember the bear market talk? Bitcoin has never seen a recession. Yeah? Okay, so Bitcoin has never seen money printing coming out of a deepest contraction since 1960. History shows what happens next. Liquidity flows and Bitcoin thrives, and so will the entire crypto market. This going up is extremely bullish for crypto, is extremely bullish for risk on assets. In crypto terms, Bitcoin is the least risky one, and then is Ethereum and Solana, blah, 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 right? So these will benefit next. I think everything is going according to plan. And let me know in the comments below if that's also what you feel. I think overall the signs are more bullish than bearish. The only thing bearish that can happen is if Trump rugs the coin, everyone gets hurt, because then you would have a pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto president that first thing in even before office is rugging his community. So he can't do that. He can't afford that. So let's hope that this doesn't happen, right? Because otherwise you would lose trust of the crypto community. But now, make sure to smash up the likes on this one. I know it was a longer video. Subscribe to the channel, notifications on. And if you enjoy these crypto updates, want more of them, then let me know in the comments below as well what you think and what you want to hear more about, which altcoins you favor, and so on. So wherever you are on the world, have a great morning, evening, day, night, or afternoon. I'll catch you in the next video or live stream. Bye.